Welcome to SuperTrain, a simulated mining and mineral processing line, real, relevant, and relationships. 2 teams of 10 members each compete in 10 shifts of 30 minutes over a period of 3 days. Each team is divided into a day shift and a night shift. They are briefed to produce and maximize PGM recovery per ton mined and to minimize costs and reach a set profit. Team members take it in turn to supervise the shift. Parting the ball in the mining stage represents a charge. The more accurate the part, the better quality PGM ore generated for the team. Slightly off and waste will be accumulated. The miner, parter, requires the necessary skill to control phase advance. Once mined, colored beads representing unique PGMs and waste are transferred to stage 1. Here, the ore is sieved for removal of inappropriate material sent from the mine. Beads representing waste and PGM ore are then fed into separator 1, representing the process of concentration. A challenging process for any operator using this equipment. Quality control is applied in all processes where samples are taken and purity of the product measured. Non-conformances result in costly recycling of beads and force a non-conformance investigation. From the concentration process, the product is transferred to the second separator representing the smelting process. At a given time, the supervisor will draw the curveball card. Section 54. Please stop your operation for 15 minutes. The team need to deal with the challenges. Finally, the product is sent to the refinery via feed chute 2. Each full bin of PGM produced gives the refinery operator opportunities to part balls into the refinery in order to earn ounces, which are then sold to the market at current mineral prices, taking the exchange rate into consideration. During the simulation, we cover 4 modules, namely team goal alignment, performance management, problem solving, and financial principles. At the end of 3 days of running the business, teams need to compile an income statement reflecting their revenue and operating costs. The learning approach is based on the discovery principle, which involves learning by doing. Learners are supplied with training manuals covering all elements in the simulation. In addition, they are provided with practical workbooks. Ultimately, this simulation gives learners a vision of operational excellence supported by innovation and digitalization. SuperTrain Simulation, where playing to win becomes the norm.